Welcome! In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5000 and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Hama Fit Move application, something like that. Basically this one. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Hama Fit Move application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And in the app you will see the home page, then you can tap on device, and here you should see your Fit Watch 5000 on the device page, and under it there should be watch face market. Tap on more to open the market, and here you have different categories. You can tap on more next to category to open it, and basically you can look for some watch faces you like. So find the watch face you would like to install, and once you find one, you can tap on it to select it. Let's say this one. And as you can see, we have the install button right here. We can tap on install, and you have maximum amount of watch faces you can install on the watch, so you need to tap on set. And basically here you will need to remove watch face to make up space for another one. I'm gonna remove this one. Tap on yes. It will remove the watch face. We can tap on finish, then find the watch face again, tap on install, and wait until it's done installing. And once it's done installing, it will be applied on our watch. And you can have up to 5 watch faces. And once you're done installing them, you can tap on manage watch faces here. You will see the list of watch faces you installed right here. You can tap on them and apply them. So if you tap on one and then tap on set as current watch face, it will change the watch face on your watch. But you can also remove them. So if you tap on one, tap on delete watch face, tap on yes, it will basically remove the watch face, and now you have more space to download and install another one if you like to. Okay, and that's how you install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.